Hey guys, my name is TJ. This is my YouTube channel. What I want to do with this channel is just document my learning experience with trying different things with Linux, macOS, Windows, and just show how from nothing it's very easy to learn all this different computer related stuff. I really began this journey by purchasing a couple old mini PCs. I wanted to start a Plex server and didn't really know where to go with that. So I just got on YouTube here and really started to dive into it. Some of the things that I've done, I've built basic media servers, installed some different Linux distributions on the iMac that's actually supporting the camera right now, holding you guys up. And I've just learned to tinker with stuff that I may not be the best prepared for, but that's the whole point of this. I'm trying to show you guys how easy it is to learn stuff as you go and to get a better understanding of how technology works. This is just a quick little introduction video to who I am. Next video, I'm going to do a quick little rundown of different things that I've worked on and built up over the past few months and where I'm at right now. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any beginner projects you want me to try out and make a video for y'all. Thanks.